It's a quick update on a garden project we've got going on at the moment. So far we've put together this dry stone feature. The fern pot there isn't permanent, it's just plonked there to give a little bit of colour to see what it'll look like. It's a dry stone structure. What's going to happen is waterfall comes down into the pond. It's not finished obviously. And then all that stone there and more to come is going to be made into a circular seat, dry stone seat, which from that hammer will run all the way around to that point there. And that's this thing here, it used to be an Iveco Daily van wheel, is going to be the centre part of a burn pit, dry stone clad burn pit. So interesting little garden project, which hopefully will be quite nice once completed.